Foreign economic ministers and delegates of the FEM meeting were treated to a lunch hosted by the only regional tertiary institution, USP, today. According to the USP Vice-Chancellor, who was on the island as part of the meeting, with 42 years of history providing tertiary education in the Pacific, the university's vision is to provide quality education in the region and for the forum leaders and ministers to support this regional institution that works for its members. We spoke with the USP Vice-Chancellor today at the lunch hosted by USP.
Well, we definitely want to become a great university of the Pacific and in the Pacific, a university that will be looked upon by leaders with some pride. It will be a university that will do cutting-edge research. It will provide very relevant training programs, training and education programs. It will be a place that will provide increasingly policy and thinking support for the Pacific Islands, and really be an institution that molds Pacific people in terms of giving them confidence, in terms of making them aware of other Pacific countries, and ultimately, I think, supporting the vision that the leaders have of a integrated, peaceful and prosperous Pacific.
So how do you see your involvement in this meeting as contributing towards those aspirations or that vision?
Well, we were observing this meeting. What I wanted to do was to listen carefully at what the ministers were saying, identifying areas in which university can assist. And nearly everybody agrees that one of the most important things in terms of increasing economic growth, in terms of future stability, is to educate more and more people. And in this knowledge economy that we live in, higher education of a good quality is a primary requirement. So what we want to do is to make sure that we provide better access, that we can provide the kinds of programs that the countries need, not only today, but anticipating the future. What kind of skills can we give to our graduates that will make them contribute better? So that was the main thing that I gained from the meeting. In addition to the meeting, of course, this is my visit to a member country, so I will have an opportunity to have formal meeting with the Premier, Honorable Premier, and the Minister of Education. I've been to visit the campus, talk to the staff, and think more about how we can be more useful to the government and to the community here.
In terms of USP's presence here in Niue, what would your message be to those who are probably considering further education? How would you, I guess, promote USB to those who still haven't had the experience?
Well, I'd say that this is your university, that USB provides programs that are of equal quality to those provided in New Zealand and Australia. And indeed, I would say to them that we provide more flexible opportunities for them, and that we provide education that will be more relevant to the needs of Niue. And basically, we want them to come and experience the quality of the education that we provide. One of the things that people know is that USP has cutting-edge information and communication technology. We call it USPNet. We have upgraded it very significantly. And what we want to do is to see whether we can take it beyond USP. And so we'll be talking to the government about USPNet being extended to Niue High. We'll be looking at whether we can extend it to cover some other needs, such as the Ministry of Education's needs. So essentially trying to make ICT more meaningful to our community, because ICT now is very much part of all development that takes place. So I see a lot of opportunities there.
It is hoped that member countries will encourage the use of the university for capacity building, and so USP can serve the purpose it was set up for.